Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video we'll talk about what is plinth beam and its usage. So what is plinth beam and for what purpose it is built? We'll talk about that, but before starting the video it's the same request that you should first subscribe to this channel and also press the bell notification icon. So now let's talk about plinth beam. So what is plinth beam? Plinth beam is a beam which is built in the foundation. It's a beam which is built in the foundation in the substructure of the building, and it is for the purpose of making foundation stronger. So it makes the foundation stronger. And plinth beam is made instead of DPC, damp proof cores. So there are two types of foundation. One foundation is built from DPC. So that's DPC or damp proof cores of foundation. I'll make another video regarding DPC, what is damp proof cores foundation. And the second type of foundation is where plinth beam is built instead of DPC. So it serves the same purpose as the DPC. Plinth beam serves the purpose of DPC, i.e. It prevents the dampness into the foundation. So it prevents the dampness into the foundation. This is the purpose of making foundation, making the DPC, that it prevents dampness and water entering into the foundation and damaging the foundation. And it is much stronger than DPC foundation. So plinth beam foundation is much stronger than DPC foundation. So the foundation basic purpose is to spread the entire building load into a wider area. So this is the purpose of foundation, and bears the building load, and the building load is transferred to the foundation. So the foundation bears the load and it's transferred to the ground in a wider area. So this is the purpose of foundation. So some foundations are built with plinth beam, and these are the stronger foundation, and some foundation are built with DPC, damp proof cores. So we'll talk about that more. So now let's talk about what is the plinth beam standard size. So as you can see here in this picture, you can clearly see that plinth beam is a layer of PCC, is a layer of RCC. So this is plinth beam is constructed from RCC, steel bars are in it. So it's a proper beam made of RCC. So as you can see here in the top of the walls of plinth walls, so you can see plinth wall. These are the plinth walls, and on top of that there is a beam which is known as plinth beam. So you can see all around there's a plinth beam, and in some foundation instead of this plinth beam DPC is there, bituminous material. So now what is the standard size of plinth beam is taken normally? So its thickness is taken as 8 inches or 200 millimeters. So its thickness is 8 inches 200 millimeters, and the mortar for it is M20, which is a very strong mortar with ratio 1, 1.5 and 3. 1 time cement, 1.5 times sand, and 3 time aggregate. So this is a high quality concrete grade, so M20, and it's for water retaining structure, and of course we require water retaining quality in the foundation. So that's why plinth beam is made from this mortar M20, and its thickness is kept 8 inches normally. So this is the plinth beam standard size and its dimension and its usage. I hope you understood it well, and you can ask me anything regarding this topic. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.